finally texted me after 4 days. Yes! I'm gonna respond straight away. That'll get her. Don't do it, Jeffrey. Don't do it. Oh. No response yet. And so Jeffrey starts to stalk her Instagram story. She's with another guy. Yeah, he's just, they're just friends. Yeah, they're just friends. Adonis notices Anastasia walking past him. He gives her a confident smile, even a little wink. And then he goes right back to his work. Anastasia is left wondering why he isn't running up to her like all of the Jeffreys. But it makes sense. He is the ultimate male after all, and work is his priority. She's waiting and waiting and waiting for his text message. And when it finally comes, my God, what a text that is. Instantly, she is so excited to see him. How did Adonis command this much attraction from Anastasia just from his singular text message? That's what Adonis is going to teach us today. Quite frankly, a lot of girls are boring as fuck. Most guys will let a woman take the lead. A girl will take interest in them. You know, the guy said something nice or the guy's like attractive, and the girl will send them a message like, oh, so what are you up to right now? Hey, how you doing? The girl will ask these questions and guys will get so excited. Oh my God, guys, she's asking me questions. Whoa, she's taking an interest. I'm gonna reply. Yeah, I'm good. How are you? No reply. She sent you a message asking how you are. You reply because she's just taking an interest in you. And then she doesn't reply to you. What? Most guys don't understand what the fuck just happened. Because some girls, when they start to lead the text message conversation and they start to ask you the question, and it's natural for you to answer and then ask them, oh, what do you think about the same topic? It is boring. Guess what most guys would do, and it's the worst thing possible to do to maintain or even grow her attraction. It's something that you do all the time, even though it seems common sense. She asks a question. Guess what most guys do? They answer the question. Most guys, by answering her shitty, boring question, will make the conversation just die out because now you're in this boring conversation of, oh, how are you? So you want to know what secret number 3 actually looks like in a practical sense, and you might not even have the confidence to do this because it seems quite socially abnormal. She will ask you a boring ass question. This will come up. It's almost a trap, and you move on as if she hasn't even said that. You just move on to the next thing that you wanted to say. What are you doing tonight? Are you free at 6 p.m? It's gonna seem a little bit like you're autistic. This is why most guys don't have the confidence for this, because she's gonna ask a question, and the normal social thing to do is to respond to the question and move on. No. She's gonna ask this boring ass question and you're gonna reply with something that's just instantly more exciting and attractive, even though it seems like it's so weird, like you've not answered this question. Girls are so attracted to a guy who does this that they don't even usually pick up on this. Sometimes a girl will reply, oh, but you didn't ask my question. Secret number 3, which I'm sure that most guys are never gonna use because you need a level of confidence for this. Most guys are pussies, honestly. It's probably you. I'm not gonna lie, it probably is you, right? Just probably is. But if you weren't a pussy, and if you really wanted to get this girl, you wouldn't allow her to burn the conversation to the ground. And she doesn't really mean to do this. When a girl takes an interest in you and asks you questions, that's a good sign. But most guys take that good sign and they ruin it by answering her question, and then the conversation just dies out. The best thing you can do when she asks you a question that's gonna lead to a boring part of the conversation is to ignore it completely. Ignore it completely, send a message as if you've not even seen that. Straight away when she sent you some boring ass fucking question, you reply with the secret number 2, like a quick statement, accusation, like a little playful thing, like, hey, how are you? I bet you're watching stepbrother porn right now, just because it's literally, she's gonna remember you so much more than the fucking dweeb who replies, yeah, I'm good, how are you? Honestly, you want the best secrets for getting girls. Secret number 4, bonus secret. Just make her emotionally invested in you. Do whatever it takes to make her think about you the most. Most guys, most girls will never be able to tell you this. Even the guys who do this themselves don't even know what they're doing. I'm telling you right now, there is one secret way, one absolute way to make a girl obsessed with you. Just make her think about you all the time. Most guys are too pussy for this, and they'll only want her to think about them in the positive sense. The real chads, the real fuckboys, the real players, the guys who get so many girls because they're just fucking good at navigating women, they know for a fact it's not just about her thinking positive things in her mind. It's about making her angry, making her upset, making her emotional, making her excited. Every spectrum of the emotion. For guys, for us to like a girl, it's only one spectrum. It's just like attraction. It's just liking them. For a girl to like us, it's this whole spectrum of like the more emotions, excitement, horror, anxiety, stress, happiness, all these ones. Literally, there's hundreds of emotions. The more that you can tap into, the more that she's going to be into you. Most guys are going to be too afraid to do this. They're going to struggle with girls for the rest of their lives. But if you can just somewhat agree with this message and just try it next time, obviously don't get put in jail or anything, but just remember this concept of, okay, you want to hit the spectrum of emotions. You'll realize the truth behind attracting girls is so simple. It's just that we as men have been trying to attract girls in the way that we would be attracted to a girl, which is okay, like we've got to like them. For a girl to be attracted to you and actually want to fuck you, it's not even about just attraction. It's just about emotional investments. This is why the guy, like the chads, drive women insane, crazy. This is why you often see girls complain and get angry about the guy that they're fucking. They're fucking them and they're not even thinking positively about them. And so here's you, the one-dimensional chump, just trying to make her happy. You hit one little part of the emotional circle. That's the one overpowered, absolutely overpowered, like something I've just told you there. Most guys are not going to use it, but maybe if you do, your life is going to change forever.